Is your Framer site not loading? Uh, yeah, that's super annoying, especially when you need it live. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, step by step. All right? First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, if your connection is slow or dropping, your site might not load properly. Next, refresh the page. And yeah, try a hard reload too, just to clear temporary glitches. Now, check if Framer itself is down. Sometimes their servers have issues and your site won't load because of that. Okay, this one helps a lot. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can mess with how your site loads. Also, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers. Yeah, they can sometimes block scripts your site needs. If you're using a custom domain, make sure your DNS settings are correct and fully connected. Wrong DNS can stop your site from loading. Next, open your project and check for errors. Broken components or missing assets can cause loading problems. And yeah, try opening your site in another browser or device. This helps you see if the issue is local or not. So yeah, that's how you fix a Framer site that's not loading. One of these should get your site back online pretty fast. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.